Hey, welcome back to ArbiSource. Today we're taking a look at custom buttons. This feature is all about enhancing your product panels with personalized shortcuts to your favorite online tools and websites. Adding a custom button is simple. Just click the plus button in the top right of any product panel in ArbiSource. Custom buttons are designed to streamline your workflow. Say, for instance, you frequently visit a cashback site before making a purchase. You can directly add this link to your custom buttons for quick access. But here's where it gets even more interesting. You can add dynamic values to these buttons. Let's take Keepa as an example. It's a popular tool for Amazon sellers to check historical data of products. In a Keepa link, you will see the product's ASIN. In ArbiSource, you can substitute the ASIN part of the Keepa URL with ASIN in 2 curly brackets. This dynamic value tells ArbiSource to replace this with the actual ASIN of the product you're viewing. And it's not just limited to ASINs. You can use dynamic values like store name, store product name, or Amazon product name to create custom links that automatically update based on the product you're analyzing. Let's explore another practical use of custom buttons. Suppose you want to quickly check the selling price of a product on eBay, particularly in the sold listings. This can be incredibly useful for price comparison and market analysis. In our eBay example, you'll notice the product name is part of the URL. We can simply replace the product name in the URL with store product name. This dynamic value instructs ArbiSource to automatically update the link to display sold listings, matching the product name you're viewing. With custom buttons, your product research becomes faster, more intuitive, and tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for watching. We hope you found it useful. For more tips and tricks on how to maximize your Amazon selling potential with ArbiSource, stay tuned to our channel. If you aren't yet a member of ArbiSource, be sure to click the link in the description and start your 7-day free trial today.